It's Joanne. So I filmed a declutter my kitchen video and I never did a beginning or an ending to it, so I'm filming it now. And I filmed this back in June and here we are today in October and I'm finally able to get this done, but it actually worked out in the long run because now I can actually show you a tour of what my kitchen looks like and how I kept it and things that I changed since I've done that decluttering video. So it's kind of like a decluttering plus how does it look like months later and how's it working out. And I think that that's actually a more important video to see how it actually works in your day-to-day life and how your children can tear up your kitchen and, you know, just to see how it works. So I definitely got rid of junk and items that weren't necessary, and I am satisfied with how everything turned out. I do have twin teenagers and a preschooler, and I'm really trying to make my life simpler. So now everything is nice and organized, and it has stayed that way.
This is just messy looking. I just need to reorganize it, and there's some things in here that don't need to be in here, like this old candle from Thanksgiving. I have very minimal dishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think we have 3. We have 3 in the dishwasher. We have very, very minimal dishes because the less dishes you have in your house, the less dishes that you have to clean. It works. I mean, there's 6 of us in this family, and it works perfect for us. So these are all Shane's vitamins for when he works out. This is just a wreck. It doesn't normally look like this, but I've let it go over the past like 2 months, and this is what it ends up looking like. This is like Aaron's space, and then we keep the toaster up here because I don't like it on the counter. This is all of our insulated cups because we use these more than anything. We don't really keep glass, except we do have ceramic cups. If we want like a mug, we can use a mug. I was in the middle of cleaning, decluttering, and organizing when I realized, why am I not filming this? So I just wanted to show you what my progress is so far. Basically everything that's in here I'm going to throw away. It's pretty much junk. I mean, stuff that we never use that was like in the back cabinets back here, like in the back, the deep abyss. So this stuff I need to go through. We have a lot of the insulated cups that we use. We don't even use like plastic or glass anymore. We just use these stainless steel cups. I love them so much. I'm gonna probably get rid of maybe some things from here. Yes, I keep my toaster up here. This is all my son's items. He only has 3 bottles, 3 cups, 3 sippy cups, 3 of these little bowls, and 3 plates, and then here's his little forks and spoons. I just keep everything right here. This is all that he has. Actually, that's not true. He does have some other things in the dishwasher. He has, let's see, sippy cups. Here's that other bowl. So actually he has 4 bowls. He uses these very often. I got like this huge set. It was like a 4-piece set of plate, bowls, cups, and forks and spoons for like $5 at Walmart. Oh, I was just about to make myself a protein shake. I use sweetened vanilla almond milk and ice, and then I'm gonna go get the protein. This is the protein that I use. It's vanilla ice cream. It is so good. Tastes just like vanilla ice cream. It's amazing. Oh my god. Fail. Make sure you keep your lid on tight. Oh my goodness. going to put this away because it doesn't need to be in there. And then these items, I don't need these, I don't need this, because I threw this bottle away. He just turned 3, and if he's not feeling good or I want him to take medicine, I put it in a bottle and he'll drink it. Okay, so we'll keep this one's messed up. Oops. Throw this one away. Throw this away. Keep these 2. Always good to have extra nipples, especially since these are brand new. So there's his nipples. I don't know, he loves this Paw Patrol cup, even though it's really more of, I don't need this. This was from Valentine's Day, I don't need it. Throw that in there. This is really cute. I just got this from Target Dollar Spot. It's a cup that opens and closes. Of course, it opens a lot easier than it closes, but yeah, it's really cute for to tuck away and keep this in my purse. So I actually am going to put this in my purse. There, add to the pile. Okay, so I took down the shelf. Here's all the cups. I'm going to go ahead and clean the shelf down. All right, the shelf is nice and clean. Put it back up. I'm gonna need to, oh, there we go. There we go. Now I can start putting these up. Before I do that, I'm gonna decide which ones I want to keep because we don't need this many cups. This goes to one of these bullet thingies up here. Goes to, whoops, my Ninja. These right there. That has the blade attached to it. And then you can turn it into a smoothie and just put this lid on it and go. So, I'm getting rid of this. We got some dishwashing detergent that was horrible and it ruined our glass. So I got rid of them. I'm going to get rid of this. I don't know. Emily uses this for her tea. It's a Christmas one. But we also have this tall one that she uses. So we'll use this one and throw this one away. Or, yeah. This is really cute. And this one I got actually from Disney World, from Magic Kingdom. I don't know. I guess I'll keep them. We're only keeping 4 mugs. Oh, 6 mugs. My husband said I can't get rid of these. Back in the corner. They're probably not ever going to be used ever again. So this isn't too bad. Just, you know, I have 2 of these, but I use them so often. I really, you know, these are from the Dollar Tree. And, you know, I love Dollar Tree, but this is the problem that I have. You can't see what it is. Here's inside of here. It's all like party wear, small accessories. Hardly anything in here because I hate crouching down low to get the heavy pots and pans. Again, hardly anything in there. But it's because I put everything in here. So we keep everything in here.
Okay, so here's the after of my kitchen. Like I said, it's been 4 months since I've done my decluttering and organizing, and I really need to do something with the spice racks. It's just not turning out as well as I'd like it to. I think I might get some Lazy Susans, but I would only be able to fit 1 Lazy Susan. Maybe I could get a double tier. I'm not sure yet, but the coffee and tea still stays down there. It just doesn't look beautiful. My toaster stays here. This is a funny little hack. What I did was I had a candle that was burning out, and I just transferred it into here while it was still wet in this cute little mason jar. And then after I make coffee, I keep it on the coffee maker and it just warms everything up. So that's why I have that in there. And so yeah, my toaster stays here now. And here's my silverware drawer. I got these little things from the Dollar Tree, these as well. Okay, and then over here I have the odds and ends, the measuring spoons and the knives. And down here under the sink, I just have a bin for hand towels and washcloths and cleaning items and dishwashing detergent. The only thing I really need as a necessity are the mixing bowls, the salad serving bowl, and then these this china that we got rid of the old brown stuff and I just got these instead. And then in here I have my husband's items are in here. We have some random accessories in there that we don't really use very often. And then here's my Tupperware, and these are the salad bowl lids that go to these. And we only have 4 bowls, 4 plastic bowls. And yeah, I mean, this is it. This is all we have. These are my son's little plates. Sometimes we use these and put these in the microwave because these have metal on them. And sometimes they spark up in the microwave when we forget. But we use these a lot. And then I use these a lot for Aaron's lunches. I make like little bento box things out of them. And then his little plates. And that's it for that. And then in here we have 2 mugs, a couple of glasses, those glasses over there that still don't get used. These get used the most. These stainless steel cups, I love these. And then here are the lids for the cups. And then here's Aaron's items. He does have 1 sippy cup that's at school, and we reduced it down to 2 bottles and half as many spoons and forks and knives, and extra nipples, and the lids that go to these 2 cups, and then 3 bowls. And that's it, guys. That's all the dishes that we have. And over here, oh, these are my beautiful shelves that my husband made for me. And then over here in this little pots and pans closet is where we keep all the pots and pans. So we have a big pot with lid. It's not the most perfectly organized, but you know, this is my Ninja. I absolutely love this thing. No more shaking up my smoothies and just making messes. This is amazing. I love it. I actually need to keep my bullet things with them, but here's my bullet things. I don't know what you call them. I just call them my bullet mixers. There's a blade in there, and you just take this and you put it on top of the Ninja. Here, I'll show you guys. I'll show you. You put this on, turn it, and it makes that click noise, and then turn it on. There you go. Love that thing. So we use that for our protein shakes now. And then I just have some pots and pans, and then all of my some of my other pans and my cookie sheets and muffin tin go down here. And then in my oven is where I keep my cast iron skillet and my cast iron fryer. And I absolutely love these, and I use these the majority of the time. Yes, I know my oven is disgusting, and I'm gonna clean it out when it's cold outside. But right now it's 95 degrees outside, and I'm not cleaning my oven. And then underneath here is my grill that we use to make bacon and eggs and pancakes on Sunday mornings. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it inspired you to declutter your kitchen. Thank you so much for watching this, and don't forget, if you liked the video, to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and see more videos from me. Thank you so much. Bye!